Okay lads, you've now moved on to the real harder part of the lesson today. This is where you've got to really challenge yourself, and this is all about looking at the additional principles of training above and beyond that easy fit principle. Now you can see the additional principles, I've put them in the boxes here: overload, adaptations, reversibility, variation, specificity and individual needs. Now what you've got to do is answer the question on the bottom here. Can you explain each of these and what they mean when we exercise? So look at what the words actually say. First of all, let's look at this one here, progression overload. This is all about how when you train, you have to keep making trainer slightly harder than what it was before in order for you to progress. Now when you do that, you experience adaptations. So when you're training, you'll find that you get stronger, you can get aerobically more fitter, you could get more flexible depending upon the training, but you must have progression. You must make things harder. It's no good just lifting the same weights every week, you'll not change. Next, reversibility. That's looking at what happens to your body when you stop exercising. So you don't want to make training too hard and too difficult in case you get injured, because then what will happen, all them adaptations that you've experienced, they'll drop off and you'll go back to what you were like before. And then finally, last two, variation. Make the training interesting, make it different so that you keep testing your body and you don't get bored. And then lastly, this one here at the top, specificity and individual needs. You've got to have a principle of training that you make the training specific to the sport you're actually doing. So if you're a footballer, you've obviously got to do training with a football. If you're a swimmer, you've got to be doing training that's in the pool, and so on and so on. And individual needs, have you got specific goals that you need to set yourself? Do you need to be stronger? Do you need to be faster? If you do, you have to make your training like that to make yourself better. Good luck.